Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. So how many subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribed to me. Yo, I have not made a video in like a couple weeks now, like I don't know, like a few weeks. I haven't made a video. So this video is just going to be an update video, just to let you guys know what I've been up to, let you know what I've been doing, just to give you guys some updates on my channel and stuff like that. I've been missing, and you guys have been asking me over and over, where are you, when you're coming back, when you're going to do videos, who wants to see some video from you, where they? I am not home. I am not in Jamaica. I am in the US right now. I'm actually in Virginia. I'm working, so I'm not home and I'm not able to make any videos, and it's really hard because I work every day of the week and I hardly take day offs. When I do get day offs, I hardly take day offs, and I miss YouTube. I miss you guys so much, and I miss making videos and like standing here talking to you now. Like, it feels kind of weird because it's like I haven't done this in a while, and yeah, so I'm just here to tell you guys what has been going on, what I've been doing, what I've been up to, just chit chat, talk a little bit about hair, and just give you guys some other life updates and stuff like that. By the way, let me just take this opportunity to shout out to everybody who sent me an inbox message and everybody who commented on anything saying, oh my god, where are your videos, where are you, when are you going to make a video? I appreciate that because it shows that you guys actually watch my videos, and I love you guys for that so much. Shout out to my girl Tiff, aka the beauty analytic, Vanya Childs. I love you, girl. I hope your little babies are doing great. And yeah, as I said, I'm not home. First and foremost, I apologize for the lighting in here. It's a kill me to, like, I don't know what going on, but the light is just like right, because I'm right in front of a window. This is the best spot I could find. I'm not even sitting down, I'm standing, just to show you guys. Like, it's really difficult. I have a roommate and it's hard to record a video when I do get to record a video, so I'm sorry. But thank you guys so much for sticking around. I see I've gotten some new subscribers. Probably by the time this is up, I'm at 2,000. Yo, I love each and every one of you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing to me. I'm going to be making videos, guys. Please just don't go anywhere. I'll be back in a little bit. If you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook, then you guys would know that I started taking biotin for my hair, and this is the one I'm taking by Windmill. Please pay my nails no mind. I don't have the time to take care of myself, I swear. But that's not have the time, and it's stressful, but yeah. And it has been okay, which reminds me, I need to take a pill today. It has been okay. My hair, one thing that I have noticed, this isn't like a real update on this. I've been taking it for about like 2 weeks now, and this is not a real update. I'm just telling you guys one thing that I have realized with taking this. My scalp has gotten a lot drier, a lot itchier since I started taking this. My hair has gotten thicker, so if that is what you're looking for, then you can definitely try this out. Biotin here. But Jesus Christ, yo, my fingernail them. Ooh. Anyways, the pills are this small, so for all you guys that don't like taking pills at all, this is okay. I don't mind. Yeah, so the pills are not big, so that's a plus for persons who have a problem taking pills. I have no problem taking pills, so it's alright for me. But just in case anybody's wondering, the pills they're very small. And my nails, ooh, they have not been growing as I thought they would, me being on biotin. I mean, it's only been 2 weeks, so let me not judge already or make any assumptions. But after I've been on it for about a month, I am probably going to do another update just to see. I actually did not get to like measure my hair with a tape measure before I started, so that's going to give me some problems, whereas actual length progression is concerned. I'm not going to be sure how long it was. I'm just going to estimate from my last length check. So I just plan to just take it for a while. I will be taking some back home, so if you guys would like to order any biotin from me, just inbox me on Facebook at my Facebook fan page, Naturally Miss Taya, and I will definitely take that order and I will purchase it for you guys, and you can reimburse me when I get there. You guys can buy it back from me. So just let me know, inbox me on Facebook if you'd like some of this for your hair and nails. For me, it's I don't know, it's good, but what I really want to try is Hair Infinity, so I am going to be ordering that online pretty soon when I do get the chance, when I do get a day off. But other than that, right now my hair is in some kinky twists with some Marley braid. That is what I'm rocking right now, and you guys have seen this before. I've done this before. I've shown this to you guys already, so it's not like, if you're not new to my channel, then you would know I take this out and put it in like really often. So yeah, I talked about hair, I talked about the biotin. Yeah, but guys, please just stay tuned. I have a lot of plans for my channel. I like the fact that I'm getting new subscribers. I love you guys so much. You guys make my day. When I get home and I check my email and you're like, oh, so and so has subscribed to you, it feels really good. I love each and every one of you guys, and I just want my channel to get to a really nice place where it's like everybody's a family and you guys can just watch my videos and expect my videos on a schedule. Like, that's my goal, to get my videos on a schedule, and that is going to be rather hard for the rest of the summer, but I am going to just be trying to update you guys. But yo, follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. I post pictures there like almost every day. My names for Facebook and Instagram is the same name. I'll put it right here for you guys, so just go on over, like the page. You guys will see when I make posts, because I do try to post as often as I can, and it's usually just picture posts, and you guys can message me, ask me any questions you have. I mean, I have had to answer questions. Do you have any video requests of anything special that you want me to do, any tutorial or any chit chat? I really want to get into chit chat videos. I want to get into like giving advice and stuff like that, just giving my opinion on things. So if you guys have any ideas about that, or you'd like me to do that, thumbs up the video and comment below, let me know. And if you guys have any questions about anything that I am wearing, makeup, hair, the usual, you guys can just inbox me as well. I love you guys so much. You guys are all natural beauties. I love the shit out of you. I love you guys so much. And yeah, just stay beautiful, stay safe, continue to enjoy your summer. I'm having a freaking spectacular summer, even though I'm tired all the time. That's basically it. I hope this video isn't too long, and I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.